Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vault and 1Password. A vault actually allows you to store passwords, credit cards, and other items that you wish to store. And here you can see if I scroll down, I have two vaults. And as you can see right here, when you scroll down, I have, let's say, two items right here in private vault. So here you can see that it basically creates private and it also have the shared one, and these are there by defaults, right? And you can always access the settings for each as you wish. Now you also have the button right here that says creates a vault, and you can call this vault whatever you want, and you can access the create vault, the new vault, to create one from here. Or on the left side you have vaults as well, and you can click there, you will see private and shared, and it shows the items that are inside. And so you can quickly create new vaults by clicking the new vault from here as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new vault right here, and we want to give the vault a name, and so we can call this one test passwords, for example. And we can just leave the description for whatever. You can add something for yourself if you want to as well, and you click and create. You also have the option to change the icon, and so you can just choose from the options that you have here. I'm going to choose, for example, this color here, and then I'm going to create the vault, and you will see that it creates. And within the vault, as you can see here, you have the name test password, and you can edit details at any point in time that you wish, description, title, and you can import the data. You have more actions right here as well, that you can delete the vault if you so desire. And yeah, it basically shows the people inside your full access. You can go ahead and change permissions and so forth, and you can even share the vault as well. And so that's it. That's how you create a vault and 1Password. Very easy and very simple.